Hi and welcome to this video on cryptocurrencies and privacy. In our previous videos, we introduced the basics of cryptocurrency investing and explored some of the key factors that influence the price of cryptocurrencies. In this video, we'll delve into the topic of privacy and discuss how cryptocurrencies can help protect your personal information and financial transactions. First, let's start by explaining what we mean by privacy in the context of cryptocurrencies. When we talk about privacy in the context of cryptocurrencies, we're typically referring to the ability to keep your financial transactions and personal information private from third parties. Cryptocurrencies use a variety of techniques to help ensure the privacy of their users, including encryption, decentralized networks, and anonymity. Now, let's take a look at some of the key ways that cryptocurrencies can help protect your privacy. Encryption. One way that cryptocurrencies help protect your privacy is through the use of encryption. Encryption is the process of encoding data in such a way that it can only be accessed by someone with the right decryption key. Cryptocurrencies use advanced encryption techniques to help ensure the privacy of their users, making it difficult for third parties to intercept or access financial transactions or personal information. Decentralized networks. Another way that cryptocurrencies help protect your privacy is through the use of decentralized networks. Decentralized networks are networks that operate on a peer-to-peer (P2P) basis, meaning that there is no central authority or server controlling the network. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin use decentralized networks to help ensure the privacy of their users, as there is no central point of control that can be targeted by hackers or government agencies. Anonymity. Cryptocurrencies also offer a level of anonymity to their users, as transactions are typically recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, but the identity of the parties involved is not revealed. This can help protect your privacy, as it makes it difficult for third parties to trace transactions back to you. So, those are a few ways that cryptocurrencies can help protect your privacy. It's important to keep in mind that while cryptocurrencies can offer a level of privacy, they are not completely anonymous, and it is still possible for law enforcement agencies to trace transactions back to individual users under certain circumstances. Thanks for watching this video on cryptocurrencies and privacy. We hope that this has given you a better understanding of how cryptocurrencies can help protect your personal information and financial transactions. If you enjoyed it and want to learn more about cryptocurrency investing, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you're ready to start using cryptocurrencies yourself, don't forget to create your own Bingx account using my referral link. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.